Very windy outside, as y'all can tell. What's going, guys? Epic Pop back on screen today. This is a brand new video, so let's get this day started. Okay guys, really quick before we get into this video. It is very windy outside, as you can tell. Oh wow. It's really windy, guys, and yeah. Look guys, starting to the wind time going. And the plant, it's really windy. Okay guys, I'm a dark and I found a whole box, 2 whole boxes of movies. These are movies I found. And yeah, I'm gonna give this also some cameras. So yeah, let's get this. Okay. There's lots of different just lots of different movies. Elvis live. Just a lot of different movies. Just in these boxes. There's even a whole box of just stuff right here we can probably look through. There's a movie. Let's look. There's a lot of different things. Let's look at that. I am getting a couple of these movies. Family Guy, Very Odd Parents, and The Smurfs. I am getting those movies. Let's look. I don't even know the prices on their movies, but I'm going to find out in just a couple minutes. Weekend here. Here's a movie. Lots of Flicker Family Collection. Flicker, Flick 1, and Flicker Country Ride. That's me. Let me actually get this. Put that in my stack. There are a whole bunch of different movies. And yeah, I mean like some of these are probably good for the price. Madagascar. I just got Madagascar one. I may actually get this one if it's cheap. It's, as I can tell, $22.99. May get this if it's cheap. Have $10 to spend, by the way, guys. There's lots of different movies. Here's Handy Manny movie night. That's neat. Okay, guys. Here's an update on the movies I'm getting. I'm getting Flicker Family Collection and Family Guy Seasons 1 and 2. So yeah guys, comment down below if you're seeing these. You know I'm home. Okay guys. Okay guys, I am back home. As y'all can tell guys. Comment down below how you like this video. Just comment down below how do you like this video, guys. Went to Dirt Cheap, found a couple of movies I like, and yeah, guys. So last clip y'all saw, guys, of the dog, guys. I just got home, and she goes nuts when you go home. She's so happy to see you when you just get home. So yeah guys, that was the dog. Yeah guys, so if you like this video, comment, subscribe, leave a like, and share with your friends and family. Until next time, peace out. Have a great day. Goodbye guys.